Greeting for everyone. My name is Javier Caicedo. Now I'm going to do my activity according to activity guide task 7, recording. Number 1, reading. Okay. When you were born, you were not able to communicate with adults around you by using language, but at the time you were 5 or 6. You were able to produce sentences, make a joke, ask questions and sounds. In fact, you had become a fluent native speaker during the first of your life. You communicate a wide range of knowledge about a less was language probably with very little conscious efforts. If you study a foreign language later and it's like it, that you discover that it was nearly as easy. Well, minimal pairing. Sit, desk, wait, bed, so, not, bed, first, desk, very, buy, pie, thing, alive, arrive, couch, cat, see, she, fan, van, fat, hat, free, tray, sink, think, with, page, pace, bed, back, fast, past, came, game, to, do, back, and, had. Intonation number 3. A statement with one street. I know. We loud. He stopped. Anna works. Time flies. Lena is my daughter. Peter doesn't lie here. Lena wasn't invited. Bad as not birds. She wanted to buy a new car. She wrote the letter very quickly. The teacher told the students a story. Maria wanted to buy a new car. My friend played tennis every Sunday. I think the first question is very easy. What is his name? Where does he live? When did she call him? Where have you been? What are you reading? When is your birthday? Do you visit them after? Have you seen my keys? Are you ready to start? Could you give me a pen, please? Could you open the window, please? Would you mind help me? Do you want coffee or tea? Does he speak English or German? Would you like coffee or tea? It's a beautiful town, isn't it? She knows him, does she? Nice weather, isn't it? Stop it. Sit down. Close your books. Tell me the truth. Come in, please. Come here, please. Sit down, please. What a wonderful present. How beautiful her voice. That is a lie. Peter, can you help me? Mrs. Smith, this is my Mary Brown. This is Mary Brown. Ella, can you help me? Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She bought a bread, cheese, orange, and apples. I saw Tom, Mary, Anna, and Victor. Certainly. Of course. You are welcome. Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Alright? Yes, see you next time.